paralyzed? What, forever?
No, not forever.
Well, for how long then?
Hey, I don't care how we do it. We need to stop Dwyer now.
I agree.
Earn your money. How do we track this guy?
Give him hell, Flash!
Something's wrong with Barry.
What?
I've never seen these kind of readings from Barry's suit.
He's channeling over 2.86 billion joules of energy. That's a combined equivalent of almost 3 lightning bolts.
Barry!
You're never gonna hurt my daughter again.